Hello dear friends, welcome to Aditi Storyteller channel. Today we're going to decorate some Easter eggs. We're going to take some eggs and then we're going to paint it with these colors and put some glitter on it. We are also going to put some stickers on it to make it beautiful and sparkly. We're going to start by painting it yellow. We've completed it. We are going to paint this egg purple. It looks so beautiful and colorful. Now I'm going to keep it for drying. Now we're going to paint this egg with blue. It looks just like the blue sky. We're going to keep it for drying with the other eggs. Let's paint the other egg in red color. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Now we're going to keep these eggs for drying. Now we're going to finish the remaining painting. We're going to keep all these eggs for drying. Now I'm going to put some stickers on the green egg. So sparkly. It looks so beautiful. Now all the eggs have been dried. We're going to make some designs with it. We're going to make a smiley face on the blue egg. We have also kept it in an Easter basket. All our eggs have been painted. We have also kept a cute little bunny in the middle of it. Now the Easter eggs are ready. Happy Easter, everyone! If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the